See, basically now what I can do with my hand after almost 1 year, now I can fully extend my wrist without any issue. As you see, the last video that I updated was 9.5 months. I had some difficulty extending the wrist, but now it's much easier, as you see. Also, the extension of the fingers, as you know, the fingers were just like this before, so basically now I can extend them up to this level. So now I'm continuing actually doing the physiotherapy, and we'll see. I hopefully will get better results. We'll update you.